SImone Productions presents an introduction to Running Set Hoedown, featuring Garland Steele. Part 33, Double Bow Knot or Ocean Wave.
The next figure that we're going to demonstrate is one called Double Bow Knot, and we'll have number one couple lead out, face number two couple, and hands four one time around. Double bow knot when you come down. Yeah, time up, time tight. Time around, well, what a sight. Round and around and around she goes, and time again with the one she knows. Yeah, time up and time tight. Time around, well, what a sight. And hands four, around you go. You lead right on to the next, you know.
To learn more figures, visit SimonePace.com and order the Encyclopedia of Traditional Appalachian Square Dancing by Bill Nichols and Garland Steele. A link is below.